Hey Zentangle friends, this is Miss G again doing Zentangles with you. Tonight I'm going to focus on another design that starts with the letter F. This one is called Floatfest. When I saw this design, I knew I needed to know how to do it. Now there's something happening here lightly. I'm going to use a pencil to draw a slight guideline. And then I'm going to do 5 little mounds. They're almost like crescent moon. I think I'm going to get 5 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Yep. And then these will be filled in with black. Okay. And when I fill in, I just go around the edge and then color quickly. This is the fast way to do it. Just go around the edge and then fill it in. The pen I'm using is like a larger tip apprentice pen. I do that so I can save myself time and sanity. And you can see I also have a space between these two that's a little bit bigger than over here. That is what it's, it's just me being me. So you can fix that now if it bugs you, which it kind of bugs me. So I'm going to just connect them a little more. All right. So what you're going to do here is create like a bunch of rainbows, and you're going to go over each other. So I'm going to start here. And that rainbow goes there, okay? And then I'm gonna go over to the next one, and I'm gonna start here, and the rainbow goes there. So they're piggybacking on each other. Now trust me on this, that you're like, really? Hennessy does want my attention tonight, he's barking. So you have this little happy thing happening, and you're just gonna carry on and do it again. So from this one, I'm going to go half, kind of a half moon. This design, when I started drawing it, I was like, I don't get it. And then all of a sudden, when I started finishing it, I was like, oh, this is fabulous. This is fabulous. I like the designs that look, they're kind of like a trick. And they look like weaving and things that are overlapping, and it's just a neat way to do drawing. And in order to break this down, if you were to if I just said, draw this, you might look at the picture when it's finished and go, I don't know, I don't even have the foggiest idea how to start. So that's the point. All right, so now I've got that first row. And you could keep it like that because that's just fine. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull these little half moons, and they're going to come down. So I'm going to pretend it's going to carry through to this side. Oh, I did that off the page. Do it again. So see this little pattern here? Right here. I'm going to take the line here and go under and carry it through. This is sort of like Hollybaugh, if you remember, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, it is a pattern where you do a lot of over and under. So the first thing you're wanting to do is just go here and carry that little design through. So you see it looks like they're kind of overlapping each other. Isn't that fun? I mean, seriously. I saw it, I was like, oh, this is fun. And then you get into it and you're like, ooh, there's a piece right here. I have to finish that part and this part. Yeah. Really super, super cool. And don't go too far up. I was actually starting to go this way. You want to do the first row, second row, kind of keep it row at a time so that you don't go over your stuff too fast. That's me. Seasonal allergies. Sorry, it's not COVID. Every time I sniffle out in public, I feel guilty. Like, I'm sorry, it's not COVID. Please remember to stay safe out there, please, please. There it is. So the other way I've seen it done, they have the design done a little bit more like happy, like bigger, higher loops, which can make it kind of fun. So this one I messed up on right here. I'm just going to leave it. I don't know what to do with it yet. I'm not sure yet. So I'll just kind of leave it. But that one is pretty fun. Floatfest. And it does take an acquired, time to do it. So I'm going to try it again and keep working on it, because the more I do it, the more I like it. It's really relaxing. Not as easy, like relaxing as Fife, but still fun.